Sanbonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Queendom. So you guys, this episode opens up with Tutadu Tolo. He's by the dining area having breakfast alone, guys. So he's having breakfast alone, but you can see Tutadu Tolo, shame he's not 100% okay. I'm guessing from that conversation that Mandlovu had with Ebo. So Ebo walks into the room, and then Ebo's like, Mntwana. I was feeling on top of the world. And then uTarotolo says, wena wamanzi. Then Aibo says, yazi, awuzange uphendule umbuzo wami izolo. And then uTarotolo was like, how amanzi? Like to say, like, what question are you referring to that I did not answer? Aibo's like, ukuthi like uzokwenza njani mengiqhubeka ngalo msebenzi we-fracking. I'm just like, check the boy coming to Haibo Ebo. And then Udaluton was like, Shuchi, you are not planning to stop this fracking when our manzi. Then was like, huh? While he's saying, guys, he's drinking water, manzabanda, you can see which he's not moved by anything, you guys. Utalukolo says, hi, when our manzi, there's nothing I can do besides letting the council members know about everything. Then Aibo says, Gebu wenje loko. Ngeke. Dalukolo goes on to say, ukuthi kumele bazi wena wamanzi. And then Aibo says, ukuthi ngesikhathi esifanele, we will tell them. Dalukolo then says, ukuthi kuyobanini ke lokho. And then Aibo says, when the lies and the rumors about the contamination of the site blows over. I'm just like, how is it lies? Because it is truth. Dalukolo goes on to say, meso kufa bantu. Like, you only want to come out with this whole thing when more people are dead. He goes on to say, what will happen to the kingdom's reputation when our manzi? Then Ebo says, le project, ayigulisi muntu mntwana. Like, no one is getting sick from this project. Then Udalukolo says, kulungile ke when our manzi, I will give you until tomorrow. Then Ebo's like, mntwana, uzama ungisongela. Udalukolo zathi cha wena wamanzi ngingubani mina ukuthi ngisongele inkosi yami. And then Ucebo just looks at him, and then Udalukolo says wena wamanzi. Dalukolo, guys, is smart, and I think the smartness for him really plays well, because I mean, if Begaya Ngendelelo, if he was just disrespecting Ucebo a long time ago, I don't think he probably even would be in this position. So he needs to be careful in the way he plays his cards to at least make Ebo still feel as if he's got some sort of control or power. Next thing we see Untando again. Untando's holding like it's a towel on her neck, guys, because remember Izolo, there was people who came, they attacked her, they hit her on her neck. Nalana Vincent is standing there, sis Louisa or Aunt Louisa. So Louisa is like, yo, I thought things couldn't get any worse than this. Untandoge is like, minake. Like, banghlaselelani, like, mina bengenaphi, like, why would they attacking me? And then Vincent says, I'm not a coward. You messed with my family, exalio plexem mean. Like, angdlali kanjalo. As bekhuluma kanjalo, guys, there's a knock on the door, and then there's like, these people who are knocking on the door, they knock once, bavulis apa, kanti amaphoyisa, guys, it's the police, and they come in. Upravi's like, aibo, and then the one police says ukuthi safika kahle ke niphelele sifuna uVincent Mthombeni. Then uLokhuzana uPravi is like, yeah, yimi loyo. And then uLokhuzana uLouisa, Aunt Louisa's like, nimfuna, like nimfuna ngani? And then the police is like, Vincent Mthombeni, angithi wena you are bull, yeah? Usuboshiwe ke ndoda. Uboshela ukuthi ushaye umuntu. And remember I said yesterday, guys, he did punch. I don't know he punched, but he hit someone. Then uLokhuza, Aunt Louisa's like, Boshwa, haibo. Untando's like, on what grounds? Bengsakali arrest warrants bandla. Then the other police says, lalela la ntombazana, awuzositshela ukuthi siwenze nini, siwenze njani umsebenzi wethu. Aunt Louisa's like, whoa. Babu Poisa, my brother was only protecting his daughter. Where now? Would you like it if someone touched your child? Then the police says, we mama, lento yenzayo, ingenza ukuthi nawe uyolaliswa le. Then Aunt Louisa's like, hi. That time out, she's saying, hi. The police guys, they trying to pull Vincent. And Vincent's like, ala ningangbambi. As Vincent is like, ala ningangbambi. And Lana, she's like, don't hold him. He's complying, okay? Don't touch him. Well, Aunt Louisa, Lana, she's fetching a pan, a kitchen, guys. It looks like she wants to eat them. And Vincent's like, hayi ningangibambi. Angithi niyabona ukuthi ngiyazihambela. And then that scene just ends with Vincent walking out with the police. Hi. Next thing we see uThintiwe. Uthindi was cleaning Umcebo's room. She's making up his bed. She's busy humming there. This is when Umcebo enters. And I'm just like, when I saw Umcebo, I'm like, ufunani Umcebo? Because I feel like Umcebo knows ukuthi uMathindi has a soft spot for him. So I'm thinking, is he trying to get to Rejoice through uThintiwe? So he gets in and he's like, Thinti. And then uThintiwe obviously recognizes his voice and she's like, wena wamanzi. Uthi ngesikhathi sakho wedwa akunankinga ngizobuya once you're done. Then Umcebo's like, no, cha, like ulungile. Goes on to say ukuthi ngifuna ukukhuluma nawe nje. And then he's like, awuze la, hlala la. And then he taps the bed. At this point, Umcebo's sitting on the bed. He's telling uThintiwe ukuthi she must come and sit on the bed because he wants to speak to her. He goes on to say ukuthi yazi ngizwile phela izolo ukuthi umngani wakho walked out on uFungile. Then uThintiwe says urejoicing. And then uLokuzana Umcebo says ukuthi wakungani, like why did she do that? What was that all about? Then uThintiwe says angazi lutho mina mlondolozi. Oh, ngiyaxolisa wena wamanzi. And she's busy smiling there. Then Umcebo's like, hayi kulungile, like yini, like anukhulumisani as friends. Didn't she tell you anything of what were her reasons of why did she walk out on uFungile kanjalo? And then uLokuzana uMathindi goes on to say ukuthi hayi siyakhulumisana ukuthi nje lately she is going through like a lot of things manje ngicabanga ukuthi she prefers to be alone. Umcebo goes on to say ukuthi kodwa hey ngikhathazekile kancane. Yazi lesi simo of her emotional state will put her engozini enkulu. Like Abanguti, she might do something that could endanger her or like agcine seralahlekelwe umsebenzi. I'm just like ayibo iyaphi le nkulumo Umcebo, like umsebenzi ungenaphi, her losing her job and or like it's sounding like a low-key threat that uThintiwe needs to pass on. Then uThintiwe was like abangi njalo wena wamanje uRejoice like ungumuntu nje ozithandela umsebenzi wakhe. Then Umcebo says kunjalo. He goes on to say ukuthi she could be losing her mind ngalenda ayenzayo. Uzimela ukuthi ukhulume naye impela. Then uMathindi goes on to say ukuthi ngizokhuluma naye ngithini mina wena wamanzi. Then Umcebo says just give her some advice. Umtshele futhi ukuthi ayeke ukusibangela izinkinga ebukhosini ngoba nje ngesinye isikhathi I don't think sizokwazi ukumxolela. And then Thintiwe says ukuthi angazi ukuthi like ngizoqalaphi. Then Umcebo says hayi uzoyithola nje indlela ngiyathemba mina. Then you see uMathindi, she's smiling, blushing there. I'm just like Umcebo yazi he's using uMathindi, and uMathindi it's like Umcebo's words are getting through to her. Anyway, we see Untando. She's in her man's room, guys. She is spraying her wig, her curly wig, ngamanzi. You know those curly wigs, guys? They need water every 5 minutes. Not every, but anyway. She's spraying her wig there, and then Thabang is lying there on the bed. It looks like Untando. She's getting ready to head out, and Thabang is watching her. So Thabang's like, my love, can't you like why ujahe kangaka? Like yonke lento like isaseyintsha, like it's all new. Untando's like, angiyakuzwa lokho, but just because I'm a CEO, it doesn't mean like I can take time off because I want to. Like akusebenzi kanjalo. Tabang's like, angithi like abantu bayazi ukuthi like awuyi at Disneyland. So angazi ukuthi is he trying to say ukuthi like is she looking too extravagant or what did he mean by that? But Untando goes on to say ukuthi ngiyakwazi lokho. Like emaqinisweni, I just want to keep myself busy and I get it guys kuningi nje and uyi-one. Tabang goes on to say ukuthi baby like my love and then ulokhuzana untando like Tabang please like angifuni ukuxabana ngalento like angifuni like angithandi ngempela. Then Tabang says ukuthi angixabani nawe ukuthi manje like ngicabangela ukuthi uyabona i-timer uPravi, I'm thinking about him, he's in jail and when are you just leaving like that you are going to work. And then Untando says ukuthi umashesha like wuye nje engifuna ukudila naye. That's the only person that I should be focusing on because ngiyazi ukuthi he sets up my dad. Umashesha was making my dad ukuthi alungise amagiza akudala instead of installing new geysers like ngizodila naye loyo. And then that scene ends, guys. We see Umcebo, he's in his office, no Vusumuzi. And you can see which whatever they're talking about, it's not good news because Umcebo is pacing the floor up and down. So Vusumuzi is like, when our manzi, I'm sorry to be the bearer of bad news. Kodwa wonke amanzi besinawo atungegile, atungiswa igas. Umcebo's like, kwenzeke kanjani lokho? Then Uvusi goes on to say, we're still running tests, we're still running some tests and investigating to see what could be the cause for all of this. I was like, bawafakile kodwa amanzi like ebhodleleni. And then the guy Uvusi says ukuthi unfortunately yes wena wamanzi. And I'm just like hayi bo Mcebo. So what this conversation is about, angithi guys, they have Umcebo's running the KRS business and the KRS business, they deal with bottled water. So the bottled water comes from eKhahlamba. So I don't know the process ukuthi atungekile amanzi and now they need to deliver water, bottled water to companies. But okay, Uvusi is like atungekile amanzi and listen, ukuthi besesiwafakile ebhodleleni when we noticed ukuthi the water has been contaminated. I was like, ish, damn it. Like, angazi-ke. Like, tell me, how is this going to affect production? And then Uvusi goes on to say, ukuthi negatively, like, yesterday, I even had to halt the production because the contamination is too high. Umcebo goes on to say, how soon do you think we can resume? Then Uvusi says, we're going to have to pause. We're going to have to pause things for now for a bit until size sithole ukuthi like what's causing this problem. Umcebo goes on to say, ukuthi kuzomela usheshe-ke Vusumuzi, like silahlekelwa yimali lana. Uvusumuzi goes on to say ukuthi wena wamanzi I won't be able to speed things up. Mhlampe like update ngayo yonke into like when I get to my office, but there's really nothing that I can do to speed up the process. Umcebo's like kulungile-ke. Vusumuzi then says, when wamanzi awucabanga ukuthi like le problem esibhekene nayo like iya-relate to what the community is complaining about. So this guy, kusho ukuthi he has not caught on, kusho ukuthi his boss, uFan Zale, passed away and he didn't know the truth because the truth is that it's that gas that they angithi bazamu kumba gas, it's that kumbering of theirs that is contaminating the water. But it looks like Uvusi is not catching that, hence he's asking what if the problems we're having of the water being contaminated is linked to what the community is complaining about. And it's kunjalo Vusumuzi, kunjalo. Umcebo's like, hayi, like khohlwa ilabo. What's important now is knowing if we have clean water esingawatayisa. And then Uvusumuzi goes on to say, Angela manje as now. Even the water that we had left at Tungegile, so we had to cancel even the shipment. So guys, they had to cancel the shipment, which obviously is money. The water that they had left, like everything, kumile nje kuyi-stand still. I was like, kulungile like okwamanje. And then we see Vusumuzi looks like he's getting up from the chair, he's about to walk out. And then I was says, Vusumuzi, ungalinge utshele muntu ngalolu daba uyezwa. And then Uvusumuzi just says, ukuthi I'm a man you can trust. Wena wamanzi. Then that scene ends. Next thing we saw Rejoice yatrina lapha lounge, guys, and then uMathinte comes in ready to have a conversation that her man told her to have with uRejoice. So uThinte wemangena, she's like, sawubona ntombi. And then uRejoice like, sawubona sis. uThinte was like, bengisacela bandla ukuthi sicuphe kancane nje. And then uRejoice was like, yeah, singacupha. And then uThinte goes on to say ukuthi ngabe nje konke kuhamba kahle sisi. Then Rejoice says ukuthi yeah, konke kuhamba kahle ngobani. You know, and then Thinti's like, hayi, ngiyazibuzela nje, like, phela, like, I'm just checking up on you. Rejoice goes on to say, oh, manje kuhambe kahle like izolo nogogo funga ingozi. Then uThinte was like, ngingathi nje uhambe kahle nje kodwa yazi ukuthi abantu nje like abaphathekile kahle ngalento beyenzeka. People were not happy with what ufunga ingozi was doing. uMathinte goes on to say, futhi the rumors that are going on around here in the palace, like kuningi nje. Rejoice says ukuthi hayi shuthi ngizisizile nje ngokusheshe ngihambe laphayana. Then Mathinte says ukuthi kodwa sisi angithi like uyazi ukuthi ngiyakuthanda. Ngizokutshela mina nje iqiniso like abonakala ukuthi like it was a good idea ukuthi uphume nje kanjalo izolo. And then Rejoice is like, yini kwenza usho njalo. Then Mathinte is like, ingoba abantu bayakusola manje Rejoice. Rejoice is like, ayibo bayangisola, bangisolelani, like ubani loyo ongisolayo. And then uThintiwe responds and says, umlondolozi umcebo, like he is uyakusola sisi. Mathinte goes on to say ukuthi akayithandanga nje neze lento yenzile ukuthi uphume nje kanjalo. Angithi uyazi sisi ukuthi uyena olethe ufunga ingozi lana like in the palace. She goes on to say ukuthi hayi sisi imphethe kabi impela. Then Rejoice says ukuthi manje uyanokutshelile ukuthi uze la kimi uzonginika warning. uThintiwe goes on to say, cha sisi, Rejoice doesn't want to hear nothing. She's like, ima-ke, yabona-ke lesi simo engikuso that I'm in right now. Angibona ukuthi my mind is all over the place. Yo, uMathinte, like, he's like, sis, ukuthi mina, while uMathinte is trying to calm down uRejoice, uRejoice is like, yazini-ke, into ozongisiza ngayo manje, ukuthi uhambe, uye kumlondolozi lo wakho, umtshele-ke futhi ukuthi mina ngiqedile ngalo msebenzi. He can take lo msebenzi and everything that he has ever promised me. Umtshele kanjalo, ngiqedile mina la ekhaya. And then uRejoice just gets up and she whoops off, guys. When I said ukuthi uRejoice's level of tolerance, you guys, for anything ever since her sister passed away, guys, don't mess with Rejoice. Then we see u-Aus Louisa again. As she's sitting there endlini noMakhi with umakhelwane and uVincent. So Sis Louisa's like, Vini, should I make you some tea? And then Bravi's like, you know what? Like, the only thing engifunayo manje is ukuthi ngithole uMashesha and strangle him till he explodes. Sis Louisa's like, bra, like, you're not going to do that, right? And then uBravi is like, I'll see like, ngiyabonga man for the bail money. And then Sis Louisa's like, untando kayise gave us the bail money. She said she needed to rush back to work. And then uBravi is like, uye msebenzini, like she's back at work. Then usis Louisa is like, ay, uyamazi umntana wakho, like uyamazi ukuthi unjani. Then she goes on to say, Vinny, Ankiri Luena, you're not going to rush back to working for that mashesha of yours. Beng, anuguchi, you must stay away from that man, like stay away from him. And then Upravi's like, I don't want anything to do with that nonsense. Next thing, guys, we see Mbela Undando. She enters the office, AKRS in Sandton, Johannesburg. As she's entering there, guys, there's two guys who are standing near the receptionist. One is he's the chief, was the Kosini, but he's working around Etakane and his work. And then they quickly bow down and they say, Wena wamanzi, when they see Untando Kaise. I finally understand. Remember, guys, I think 2 weeks back or somewhere last week, there was a scene where I was explaining Uti, there was a guy, Eriki, and there's some Indian lady, Peggy, that they were introducing to the scene. And I'm like, I finally get why they were introducing those people, because those people, Basebenze KRS, which is now new scenes we're going to see of Undando, because she's working in office in Manj. So Undando, I guess she says, Sanbona Nina Bamanzi. And then the one chief guy says, oh, so these rumors, esiwazwayo yefayiniso, usungumphathi wethu. Then Undando says, yebo kunjalo. Then he says, the first chapter, seyifezekile. Like, angisakwazi ukuthi ngilinde wena wamanzi, ukuthi kufezeke the second chapter. Undando's like, the second chapter, chapter yesibili, like, what are you talking about? Then this chief guy goes on to say, ukuthi wena uvume ubizo lwakho uthathe isihlalo sobukhosi njengendlovukazi yaseKhashamba. Then Undando's like, angibongile impela nduna kodwa mina angizimiselanga ukuthatha isihlalo sobukhosi. Like, I am not interested in that seat. And then ke nduna, the chief goes on to say ukuthi sizwile wena wamanzi ngoma wakho unkosazana ukhethiwe, nathi nje ngeke size siphumule singamtholanga, like siyakuthembisa wena wamanzi. Then Undando's like, ngiyabonga kakhulu nduna yami, bengisacela bandla ukuthi ningiphakamele, because at that point they were still bowing down, guys. And then Undando goes on to say ukuthi, like, asikho nje isizathu to do that. Every time you see me, like, please don't do that. Just know ukuthi you and I, we are equals. And then baphakame ngempela, and then they say wena wamanzi. And then Undando's like, bese bengicela ukuthi ningiphelezele ngiye ofisini, and they do just that. Then we see Peggy get this Indian girl who was recently introduced to our screens. She's calling Ebo about the bottled water, and she's telling Ebo ukuthi, listen, like, Aibo bayakhala, companies are calling us bafuna amanzi wabo, they want their bottled water, and mina angazi ukuthi ngibatsheleni. I was like, listen, just tell them there's been a delay at Drakensberg in, and Peggy's like, I've been telling them that, now like I'm running out of excuses. And then Peggy says, the confusing thing is that I'm looking at my laptop, and my laptop is not showing me a shipment, because you can track, sometimes you can track amanzi aphumile, they've been shipped, and like they're going to be delivered. So she's saying, I'm not seeing anything like on my screen, which is weird. There should be a shipment that is out. But that time he doesn't know what to say, because he knows he's being put into a corner and he doesn't want to speak the truth. Peggy goes on to say, Miss Mtombeni, the side, she's been asking me like as well, like about this water thing. I don't know what to tell him. Aibo amangale. He's like, Ntanto kayise. Peggy just says, can you please call her and explain the situation to her? Then Aibo says, no, like, wait a minute, like, listen, I think I have a batch I think I have a batch of water for us that is available. And then Peggy says, amazing, all right, thank you, sir. Guys, it looks like he's about to frame Ulokuzan Untando Kaise. What I think he's going to do is that, remember when he was speaking no Vusumuzi uVusumuzi said there was water, bukhona amanzi that they bottled already, but he cancelled the shipment to be sent out. I think I was going to send that shipment AKRS, and that water is going to be dispersed to different companies underneath uNtando Kayise's leadership, which means she's going to be responsible for this contaminated water. I'm just like, I bandla like production team, queendom. Like they don't give us a break, guys. Yo. Anyway, again, next scene and last scene, we see he's at the house, at the palace. He's pouring himself a glass of whiskey, but you can see he's in deep thoughts, guys. You can see whatever he's doing, he's planning to frame uNtando, and you can see which like he's kind of like he's in deep thought, but this thought is kind of pleasing him in some sense. So while he's pouring his whiskey, uMandlovu walks in. Then uMandlovu is like, wena wamanzi. And then I was like, Ndlovukazi. Then uMandlovu says like, uyibonile le video of that activist on the internet. Then I was like, hayi ngiyibonile. uMandlovu was like, nemibono yakhona uyibonile. Did you see the comments as well? Then I was like, ngiyibonile ma. uMandlovu goes on to say ukuthi lento izodala igama elibi ebukhosini. But then says ukuthi ungakhathazeki ngalokho ma. I'll organize a meeting tomorrow. uMandlovu is like, ngobani? Like, why are you organizing a meeting? Then says ukuthi mele ngikhulume nomphathi wasoKhahlamba ngibachazela ukuthi wenzakalani. I hope Mirabakazela, guys, is not going to pin this on uNtando Kayise and say, listen, I'm no more in charge of KRS in but yo, uNtando, we're really going to need the underground gang yakho uNtando to come through for you because listen, uMcebo is out for you. Anyway, guys, let's park it right there. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.